So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is breach of the contract. So what is the breach of contract? Breach of contract is a breaking of contract, breaking of agreement. So the agreement is made or agreement is done between two parties before the starting of work, before the starting of contract. The agreement is made between two parties. That agreement is breaking. It is breaking either by contractor or by owner. So breach of contract may occur when the project is not performed or any one of the party, he may be contractor or he may be owner, they are not ready to perform or they are not willing to perform, so they will go for breach. So breach means generally breaking of agreement which is made between the two parties before the starting of work. It can be either from contractor side or it can be from owner side. If the breach is from contractor side, what will happen? If breach is from contractor side, the owner can employ other contractor. See, contractor is not ready to do the work. He's refusing to do the project. So he is breaking the contract. Contractor. Contractor is breaking the contract. So what owner will do? So owner has rights to employ other contractor, or he will invite other contractors to tendering process. If it is from if it is means it is if breach is from contractor side. So what if breach is from owner side? if owner is if owner is breaking the contract or owner is breaking the agreement, he is refusing to the work, what contractor has to do? Contractor can go for court of law if it is in case of dispute, or contractor can go for recovery of damages which is occurred to him. See, if owner is breaking the contract means obviously it is a bad remark to contractor. Whatever whatever the reason may be anything to break the contract. Owner is breaking the contract with his own reasons, but it will ultimately affect the contractor. So contractor can go for recovery of damages which is occurred to him. So generally there are two types of breaches. One is actual breach and another is anticipatory breach. So one is actual breach, another is anticipatory breach. So if you want the explanation of actual breach and anticipatory breach, if you want to know what they are actually, wait for next video. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.